Hey everybody, Lois, Threlkeld, and Amy Yoshimitsu. We are here at the Tacos y Burrito. La Unica. I think I'm saying it correctly.
You are. You're doing a great job.
Tacos, various types. Tacos suaves, tacos dorados, tacos tacos. Right.
And we have quesadillas, we have burritos, tortas, burritos.
We even have ramen, which is unusual. I'm not sure what Mexican ramen is like.
All right, gotta love the ramen. So, bienvenidos. That's the name of the place? Is it bienvenidos?
Looks like La
Tacos,
Unica.
Birria,
La Unica.
Oh, is that like, must be unique?
Okay, you gotta check out this food truck. We're checking it out for the first time. Some tacos, please. Everything? Yeah, everything. Con toros.
Yes, please.
All right, should be sabroso. Comment, like, share, subscribe, and see you at La Unica. Here, let's get the name right. There it is. La Unica, the unique one. Tacos y Birria. Y Birria. All right. There you go. Talk soon. Let you know how it goes. Comment, like, share, subscribe.